Hello, my friends. It's so good to see you today. The sun is shining and it's a beautiful day to go outside. Do you want to come on a special adventure with me? We are going on a nature walk. A nature walk is a fun way to explore the world right outside our door. We can use our looking eyes and our listening ears to discover so many amazing things. We will look for little bugs crawling on the ground and pretty plants growing up toward the sun. It's going to be so much fun to see what we can find together on our walk. Let's get our shoes on and get ready to go. Are you ready? I'm so excited. Going on a walk is a wonderful way to move our bodies and breathe the fresh air. We can walk slowly so we don't miss anything. There are treasures all around us when we take the time to look. We might see things that are big, and we might see things that are very, very small. Nature is full of surprises. You might be wondering, where can we find nature? That's a great question. Nature is all around us, everywhere we look. We don't have to go far to find it. A big green park, lots of trees, a playground, our very own backyard, right outside our house. Even in a big city, a little patch of grass in a sidewalk crack or a bird on a wire shows that nature loves to grow everywhere. There might be a pond at the park with water and ducks, and plants growing around the edge. Farther away, there are mountains and the ocean, but for today, our neighborhood, park, or yard is our special place to discover. Let's look around right now. Look down, grass and maybe some dirt. Look up, clouds and maybe the sun. Look all around, trees, bushes, maybe some flowers. Every one of these things is part of our nature adventure. Isn't it wonderful nature is so close to us? Let's keep walking and see what we find next. Now, let's look very, very closely at the ground. We have to look carefully because some of nature's friends are super small. Do you see any tiny creatures moving around? These are insects or bugs. Look, over there. I see a line of little black ants marching one by one. Maybe they are carrying food back to their home underground. Ants are very busy and very strong. They work together as a team. We will be careful not to step on them. Oh, wow! Look at that beautiful bug flying by. It has big, colorful wings. It's a butterfly. Butterflies are so pretty. They flutter from flower to flower. They have wings that can be orange, yellow, blue, and many other colors. They drink sweet nectar from flowers. Can you flap your arms like a butterfly's wings? Flap, flap, flap. Butterflies are gentle and they help the flowers grow. If we look carefully on a leaf, we might see a little red bug with black spots. A ladybug. Finding a ladybug is lucky. Sometimes you might also see a fuzzy bumblebee buzzing around the flowers. Bees help flowers and fruits to grow. We will give the bees plenty of space so they can do their work. Ants, butterflies, ladybugs, bees are all amazing insects we can find. Now let's use our looking eyes to find some plants. Plants are all around us and they come in many different shapes and sizes. Look up, way up high. Do you see that big, tall thing with a brown trunk and green leaves? That's a tree. Trees are the biggest plants of all. Their roots grow deep down into the ground and their branches reach high up to the sky. Trees give us shade and are homes for birds and squirrels. Can you stretch your arms up high like the branches of a tree? Reach for the sun. Now let's look down low. Do you see all the pretty colors? Those are flowers. Flowers can be red, yellow, pink, purple, or white. They smell so sweet. Let's lean in carefully and use our noses. Flowers are also food for butterflies and bees. And what is that green stuff covering the ground everywhere? It's grass. It makes a soft green carpet for us to walk on. If you look very closely, one blade of grass is a long, thin leaf. Trees, flowers, and grass are amazing plants. They make fresh air for us and make the world so green and beautiful. When we are on our nature walk, it's very important to be gentle explorers. We are visitors in the home of all the bugs and plants. This means we use our looking eyes more than our hands. When we see a little ant or a pretty ladybug, it's exciting, but it's much safer for the bug if we just watch it. The bugs are very small and delicate, and we don't want to accidentally hurt them. We will step around them and watch quietly. Watching is a wonderful way to learn. We can get down low to the ground to see how tiny legs move or what a bug is doing. It can be tempting to pick a flower, but if we pick it, it will wilt and can't grow anymore. If we leave it on its stem, it will stay beautiful for many more days. Other people, bees, and butterflies can enjoy the flower if we leave it alone. Instead of picking it, we can take a picture in our minds. We walk carefully on paths so we don't step on tiny seedlings. This is how we show kindness to nature. Being gentle and kind is the most important rule of our nature walk. You are doing such a great job being a caring nature friend. Our nature walk isn't just about what we can see, it's also about what we can hear. Let's stop walking for a moment. Stand very still and close your eyes. Now let's open up our listening ears. I can hear a little bird singing a song. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Do you hear that rustling sound? Rustle, rustle, rustle. That could be the wind blowing through the leaves. Sometimes that rustling might be a little animal, like a squirrel scurrying through leaves. It's fun to guess what is making the sounds. Can you hear the buzzing of a bee? Bzzz. Its wings move so fast that they make that buzzing noise. You have to listen very carefully. We might hear the gentle trickle of water in a small stream, or if we are far from the street, we might only hear nature sounds. The bird's song, the wind's whisper, and the bee's buzz all mix together to make a beautiful symphony. You are such a good listener. Using our ears helps us discover things we might not be able to see. It's an important skill for a nature explorer. Our wonderful nature walk is coming to an end. We have had so much fun exploring together today. We used our looking eyes to find so many amazing things. We saw busy ants marching, a beautiful butterfly, a lucky ladybug, and maybe even heard a bee buzzing by. We learned that bugs are tiny, important helpers. We were so gentle and kind to them, watching from a distance so they could feel safe in their home. We also used our eyes to see the amazing plants all around us. We saw big, tall trees, pretty colorful flowers, and the soft green grass. They give animals homes, food for bees and butterflies, and they make the fresh air that we breathe. We were so gentle with the plants, too. You were a fantastic bug detective and a wonderful plant protector. You did such a great job being gentle and observant today. Let's all say, thank you, nature. Even though our walk is over for today, nature is always here waiting for us. Tomorrow is a new day, and you can go on another nature walk. Thank you for coming on this walk with me, my friends. Goodbye for now, and have fun on your next nature adventure.